In this video, I am going to show you how to deactivate an Instagram account temporarily and permanently. To start, open the Instagram app on your phone, whether you are using an iPhone or an Android device. At the bottom left of the screen, tap on your profile picture. Then at the top of the screen, tap the three dots to open the menu. After that, tap on Account Center. Scroll down and choose Personal Details. Then tap on Accounts Ownership and Control. Here, select Deactivation or Deletion. Now choose your Instagram account. You will see two options, Deactivate Account or Delete Account. If you want to temporarily hide your account, select Deactivate Account. If you want to permanently remove it, choose Delete Account. In this example, select Deactivate Account and tap Continue. Instagram will ask you to enter your password. After entering it, tap Continue. Next, choose a reason for deactivating your account and tap Continue again. Finally, tap Deactivate Account. Your Instagram account will now be deactivated.